Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PKS Sports. Igama lami Bunginkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Dango. In today's video we'll talk about three players, Seluleko Mahlambi, Thulani Gumede and Umukibelo Ramapo. Bese sivala ngeindaba ezinhle ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs tomorrow is going to release their 2026-2027 season home and away kit. Indaba ezimnandi ke lezo. Sengikhohlwa ngicela ningisize ngokulike nokusubscribe to the channel if awukaka subscribe. Kodwa ke mase subscribe danko kaningi. Asivele sihlala udabini. As we all know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs are trying by all means to sign uLangelihle Phili. So that simply means if it happens that they fail to do so, they have to move on and look for other options. Seluleko Mahlambi, it's another player I believe, as he is available, but so far no team has shown any interest in him. People even went on about to say that he was offered to Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know how true is that, but the important thing here is to understand ukuthi sometimes it's not about focusing on only one player. You must have options. If we fail to sign uLangelihle Phili, that simply means the Kaizer Chiefs now have options. There's Mahlambi, there's Umukibelo, and there's Gumede. Mahlambi, it's another player I'd say he was an exciting player to watch go Betway Premiership. Age-wise, he's still young, 21 years old, same age mate with uLangelihle Phili. And he registered fairly good stats also. 6 goals, 6 assists, 12 goal contributions. That's huge for a player of his age, especially at the age of 21. Another player I believe he's still young. Yes, he can be a good signing for Kaizer Chiefs. It will be up to him whether he'll be able to bear the pressure of being a Kaizer Chiefs player, or will Kaizer Chiefs use him that much in such a way that they rely on him to get the goals. But for the fact that he's assisting his scoring, that tells you about his game. It's a good player. Another option for Kaizer Chiefs if they fail to sign uLangelihle Phili. And the relationship between Kaizer Chiefs and TS Galaxy is not bad. But now the question is that, are we signing him because we need him, or we sign for the sake of signing? Yes, he's available. He's very good. But can he offer us what we want in a winger? Experience ayikho, but he'll get that along the way. But the important thing now is to understand what, in the way that we play as a club, will he fit? Can he register the amount of goals he registered with TS Galaxy and the assist with Chiefs? I believe it's also another thing, he's an intelligent player for his age. His movement around the box, the way he moves when he has the ball, ability to cut inside. But I'm not saying that the Kaizer Chiefs should sign this player, but it's an option. And then there's also Thulani Gumede. That one guy, I'm sure the Kaizer Chiefs made an inquiry because they had, I believe, interest to sign him. But now for the fact that his contract comes to an end 2030, that simply means they have to buy him out. Even though we don't know what is his price tag, the asking fee that they demand Richards pay from Kaizer Chiefs. And the stats are not good. 2 goals and 3 assists, 5 goal contributions are not that good. He's 25 years old. Another option for Kaizer Chiefs, but it's all about as I've said before, here we are not signing quality. We are signing a player with potential that we hope he might reach his full potential. The same road we took with Uvelebai and Uluk Bartman is the same one here, because he's not a proven goal scorer or an assister, even though he scored 3 and scored 2 and assisted 3 times. So that tells you one thing about him as a player. I like his work rate, because he gives you 110 out of 100. That's what you get in that play. So it's all about that. Good. In our system for next season, will he be able to fit? Will he adjust to the conditions of playing for Kaizer Chiefs? That's the ultimate question. Yes, I believe. But the real thing now, this one thing I'm concerned about is that if Kaizer Chiefs were to sign him, he was going to compete with Umodi or with Duvelepai in that left wing position. I'm not sure about that. Since, well, even Umodi, we are not sure whether he'll be kept by Chiefs or not, because Kaizer Chiefs itholile manje ayisho next, and kusela amalanga ambalwa nje ukuthi bahambe baya ku pre-season as they are playing A12. So namhlanje i8. That simply means ukuthi mele khanjwe maybe ngaboma i10. But akunama decisions afinal eswazwayo or eswabonayo. Iyaqaka ke lokho kuyindida. And then the final player is Simon Mokibelo Ramab. He plays for Polokwane City. He's 28 years old. Here, we are no longer talking about a youngster, but we are talking about a player that understands the game now. He has been in the top flight football for many years. And he kept on growing, he kept on improving. This season, he scored a total of 4 goals. Another thing that I see, it might be a problem. Kaizer Chiefs, I will keep on saying this, Kaizer Chiefs didn't go for this play. But the rumors are saying that he is a free agent and there are teams in Gauteng that are interested in signing him. So that simply means one thing. There's only one club in Gauteng that their recruitment strategy is, I'm a free agent. And considering his age, he is at the age whereby I believe he understands everything about that position. He is a right winger, by the way, but can also play as a left wing. But his preferred is a right wing. He has speed. He has, let me not say skills because angazi ngibone, but his ability to take a shot outside the box. And also, he can run the entire 90 minutes with the same pace. He has that stamina. And I believe Guti, if Kaizer Chiefs want a player that they understand Guti can adjust to any conditions, it might be him. And the Kaizer Chiefs ngasigili kodwa because siyijwayele ukuthi lento le if ever it might happen ukuthi bamsign, it won't be a surprise. Number one, is a free agent. Number two, obviously Kaizer Chiefs always does things that are always surprising to us as a fan. And next season, I believe we need players that we won't say they're youngsters, we should be patient with them because of this thing. We don't want to put pressure on them. They're still young, they still have to learn, they still have to grow. But Ramab, it's plug and play. I don't know will he be good enough or not. But if Kaizer Chiefs ends up signing him, I won't be surprised.